So friends, today we are going to understand today we are going to understand about the finances, which is very important for a preschool. Friends, आपको ये बताना चाहूँगा, and are you all okay with English, or anybody today is only waiting for a Hindi session? Anybody? Can you please write it? Is this today's session, we are around 14 people now. Is English is okay, or somebody is expecting even Hindi today? Please write it out in your message box. English, Hindi or mix? English or Hindi or mix? Thank you, Pawanji. I know, Suganya, for you it is English. I am asking for about others, those who are not okay with English. English, all right. What about others? Please write it out first. Okay, those who are okay with English, no need to write. Anybody looking for Hindi? Okay, KN Prasad is saying mix. All right. Friends, to understand this industry, this is not a new industry. This is already a industry which is 15, 20, 25 years old now. Earlier it was only into metro cities, big towns, right? And now it has reached to even small villages. Right, friends? पहले ये कुछ नया इंडस्ट्री नहीं है, राइट? ये पुराना इंडस्ट्री है जो 15, 20, 25 साल हो चुका है. पहले ये प्री स्कूल बड़े शहरों में था, राइट? अब ये छोटे छोटे शहरों में पहुंच चुका है, इवन गांव तक पहुंच चुका है. फ्रेंड्स, मैं ये नहीं बोलूँगा आपको कभी भी कि मेरा अच्छा स्कूल है कि उसका अच्छा स्कूल है. मैं ये बोलूँगा आपको वो डिसाइड करना है जो आपको कॉन्फिडेंट हो. आज आप एक फ्रेंचाइजी लेने के लिए जा रहे हो, आज अपना स्कूल खोलने जा रहे हो, है ना? आपको देखना है कि मेरे पास कितना पैसा है. फ्रेंड्स, देयर आर लॉट ऑफ अपॉर्चुनिटीज, देयर आर लॉट ऑफ ब्रांड्स अवेलेबल. I am not saying that you have to take my brand, right? I am not saying that you take that brand. I am not saying that you do not open your own school. But you need to understand how much money you have. Friends, I have seen this industry. People have started, right? Started off their own, closed down. People started a franchise and closed down. People have invested all of their savings and closed down. Is that what we are planning for? So understanding this investment is very important. Friends, मैंने लोगों को देखा है, राइट? तो उन्होंने अपना स्कूल खोल के बंद कर चुके हैं, फ्रेंचाइजी लेके बंद कर चुके हैं, अपना सेविंग सारा डालने के बावजूद बंद कर चुके हैं. पर क्या मुझे एक स्कूल खोलना है, और खोलना है तो मेरे पास कितने पैसे हैं? Am I ready to start a school? And if yes, how much money I have? Friends, 3 words आपको बहुत अच्छे से समझना है. Who you are. Who you are. You are a owner of a school, you are a parent of a school, or you are a teacher in a school. You are going to be a teacher in the school, or you are going to behave like a parent of a school, or you are going to behave and work like a owner of a school. Friends, आप पेरेंट्स का एक्सपेक्टेशंस पूरा कर के थक जाओगे. पेरेंट्स, आप अगर टीचर बन के रह जाओगे तो आप ओनर कभी नहीं बन पाओगे. और इफ यू आर ए रियली अ ओनर, you have to work like a owner. Friends, I am repeating, you have to understand 3 words in this industry. Who you are. Are you a teacher? Are you an owner? Are you a parent? You won't be able to fulfill all the demands of a parent. You won't be able to grow if you behave yourself like a teacher. and you have to behave like a owner. The problem in this industry till today is everybody think about a parent. Preschool owners, they do not run their centers. Their centers are really run by the parents. They do whatever the parent asks for it. एक पेरेंट एयर कंडीशन मांगता है, वो एयर कंडीशन दे देते हैं. पेरेंट ट्रांसपोर्ट मांगता है, ट्रांसपोर्ट दे देते हैं. एक पेरेंट आस्क्स फॉर ए सीसीटीवी कैमरा, दे गिव ए सीसीटीवी कैमरा. आई एम जस्ट गिविंग यू सम एग्जांपल्स. Even in some cases, even preschool change their curriculum and syllabus because of a parent. तो फ्रेंड्स, आप लोग जहां से भी हैं वहां पे भी कुछ ऐसे पेरेंट हैं जो बहुत कैपेबल हैं और कुछ ऐसे पेरेंट्स हैं जो बिल्कुल भी कैपेबल नहीं है. ए पर्सन हु इज वर्किंग फॉर द बेस्ट ऑफ कंपनीज, एक बहुत बड़ा पैसा वाला, and even a auto driver or a car driver or somebody who is staying nearby to your place, a middle class or a rural middle class. Friends, आपको ये देखना है कि किस पेरेंट्स का एक्सपेक्टेशंस कितना हो सकता है, राइट? आपको किस लेवल का स्कूल खोलना है. फ्रेंड्स, आप तो एज ए पेरेंट सोच रहे हो कि मेरे बच्चे के स्कूल में ये होना चाहिए, पर क्या उस सब के लिए आपके पास पैसा है? तो एक स्कूल मत खोलना अगर आप पेरेंट की तरह सोचते हो. आप नहीं कर पाओगे, राइट? फ्रेंड्स, अगर आपको पढ़ाना आता है तो टीचर की तरह भी काम मत करना. आई नो यू आर गोइंग टू गिव ए गुड रिजल्ट एंड गुड एजुकेशन टू ए चाइल्ड, but do not only behave like a teacher. A teacher will never be able to make this school successful. Are you all with me? Please write if you are able to understand or not understand. You are not able to understand. Are you all with me what I am trying to explain you? The word which is owner, teacher and the parent. Please write it for me. Yes, thank you Mr. Prasad. Thank you Suganya. So friends, let's understand that what is I have. Friends, I have started a school with 2 lakhs rupees in hand, right? 2 lakhs rupees what I have started my school. I started the school. I have a different set of building. I'm not talking about the building and the rental right now. मैंने 2 लाख रुपए से स्कूल स्टार्ट किया था, पर yes, that took me around 5-6 lakhs rupees in as a complete, and that to be in 2005, and that was the same April. So painting, deposit, everything, I'm talking about investments. Friends, if I come from a good family background, right, doesn't mean that I will create a school with 1 crore rupees of investment. Friends, to be very precisely speaking, you should not start a school, right, thinking what you need for your child. Friends, right? First. Second, you should not invest money if you think you are a good teacher. And if you are really going to start, think as an owner who is really into business, who is really looking for a profit, who is really looking for a good investment and a good return proposition rather than just starting a preschool. Friends, अगर आप स्कूल खोलना चाहते हो, ये मत सोचो कि मैं अच्छी टीचर हूं. आपको एक अच्छा ओनर बनना पड़ेगा. ये मत सोचो कि मैं इस स्कूल में ये सब दूंगी जो आपके इन्वेस्टमेंट में पॉसिबल नहीं है. फ्रेंड्स, आर यू ऑल विथ मी इनटू दिस? राइट? सो फ्रेंड्स, let's move forward and understand what is the minimum investment required. Friends, let me give you an example and then I will come back to you. Let me talk to Mr. Prasad. Can I talk to you, Mr. Prasad? Or let me talk to myself. Let me give you myself, otherwise I have to wait for him to give. So friends, I'm in Bangalore. And I have 3 different category of places. So friends, let me explain you very properly. Friends, there is a lower area in Bangalore. Lower area means lower category, lower than middle class, where people will not pay beyond 25,000 rupees for a fee structure, which is annually. Right? Are you all able to understand me? That is a C category area, let's say. So there are 3 category of area A, area B and area C. मान के चलते हैं 3 कैटेगरी ऑफ एरिया है A, B and C. C एक ऐसा लोअर कैटेगरी एरिया है जहां लोअर मिडिल क्लास रहते हैं, वहां पे लेस देन 30,000 फीस मिलता है बैंगलोर में. आई एम टॉकिंग बैंगलोर एग्जांपल. और एक एरिया ऐसा है जहां पे मुझे 25 से 50,000 रुपए फीस मिल जाता है. और एक और एरिया है जहां पे मुझे 2 लाख भी मिल सकता है. फ्रेंड्स, you have to decide now. You have to decide now in which area you are planning to run the school. Let's say, friends, let's all write an answer. In which category of area you will like to start a school first? I want to read your mind in terms of what you are thinking right now. So friends, I am repeating. You select out of these 3. Keeping Bangalore in mind. Forget about your location. I'm giving you an example right now. So friends, keeping in mind, let's plan that Bangalore, there are 3 different areas, area 1, B and C. A area you can charge around 2 lakhs rupees fees. B area you can charge around 50,000 rupees. And C you cannot charge more than 35,000 rupees. In which area you will like to open a school in Bangalore? Bangalore A, Bangalore B, Bangalore C. I am giving an example. Select your area, then I will tell you. Please write, everybody, all 17 people, please write. If you are in Bangalore and if you have got 3 options, in which area we will like to start a school, A, B or C. Think that you are in Bangalore. आप ये सोचो आप बैंगलोर में हो और आपको ऑप्शन है ए, बी एंड सी एरिया में स्कूल खोलना है. देन विच एरिया यू विल प्रिफर? व्हाट इज इन योर माइंड? सो थैंक यू सो मच पेरेंट्स, फ्रेंड्स फॉर राइटिंग. राइट नाउ फ्रेंड्स, लेट गॉड रियली आई रियली अप्रिशिएट आंसर. आप लोग अगर ऐसा लिखते रहोगे तो मुझे भी अच्छा लगेगा. राइट नाउ फ्रेंड्स, क्या मैं ये स्कूल जो आप खोलना चाहते हो, राइट, इसका एक रेंटल भी बता देता हूं. अभी तो मैंने आपको फीस बताया ना, राइट. सो दैट ए एरिया इन बैंगलोर वेयर यू कैन चार्ज ए फीस ऑफ 2 lakhs, the rental is almost around 1 or 2 lakhs rupees for that particular building. क्या आपके सी वाले एरिया में ए वाला स्कूल चलेगा? Do you think if I go and open a 2 lakhs rupees school in area C, will it work? And if I go to a category area and open a C standard school, will it open? Please write my answer. Friends, now you know yourself what is A, B and C category area, places, location, pin code, state, competition, your location, your area. So अभी आपको पता चल चुका है कि आप कहां बैठे हुए हो, आपका शहर क्या है, आपका विलेज क्या है, आपका कंपटीटर क्या है और आप क्या खोलने वाले हो. Am I right? So friends, if you think that in A category area, a C school will not work, and in a C category area, a school with A requirement will not work. That is the learning of it. So every investment has to be according to the area, according to the competition, according to a location. Even there are small towns where there are upper area and a lower area. Friends, your investment will define. Your investment should define the area. Your investment will define your fee structure. Are you all with me? Or the vice versa. Or you give a good, if you want to charge 30,000 rupees, you have to go to B area. If you want to charge 50,000 rupees, you have to go to a B, if you want to charge less than 25,000 rupees, you have to go to the C area. If you want to charge 50,000 rupees, you have to go to a B area. So friends, there is no limitation of an investment. There are schools, those who have invested. Friends, there are preschools where people have invested 2 crores rupees, but the profitability is a question mark. How many schools in India, those who are profitable after investing 2 crores of rupees is my question. And there are schools, those who have totally invested less than 5 lakhs of rupees. And friends, even in a very rural place where there is no preschool, where there is no branded preschool, where we are not going to get more than 10-15,000 rupees a year, friends, let's do not invest much. Let's do not give a lot of facility to that parent who is really not expecting for that fees. A lot of schools are closing down because they do give more than what is required for that location, that fee structure and that infrastructure. Are you all with me? Friends, ये schools इसीलिए बंद होते हैं कि either वो सही जगह पे सही फीस नहीं ले रहे हैं, जितना फीस ले रहे हैं उससे ज्यादा डिलीवर कर रहे हैं, और जहां फीस कम है इन्वेस्टमेंट ज्यादा है, जहां इन्वेस्टमेंट बहुत ज्यादा हो गया वहां पे कम फीस मिल रहा है. सो कहीं ना कहीं लोगों का इक्वेशन बहुत गंदा हो रखा है. वो चीज मैं आप लोगों के साथ नहीं होने दूंगा. दैट इज द रीजन फ्रेंड्स, मैं इतनी फ्रेंचाइजी के लिए बात शायद आज तक किसी से नहीं किया है. जो मैं आपको ऑनलाइन सिखाना चाहता हूं, आइदर यू रन ए हेलो किड सेंटर और यू डू नॉट रन ए हेलो किड सेंटर. फ्रेंड्स, इन्वेस्टमेंट इज वेरी 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 इंपॉर्टेंट. मैं एक फ्रेंचाइजी देता हूं, आई गिव यू ए रूरल इन्वेस्टमेंट ऑफ 2 lakhs रुपीज. आई गिव यू ए सेमी अर्बन एंड अर्बन, स्मॉल टाउन एंड, जो स्मॉल टाउन एंड बिग टाउन्स होते हैं उनके लिए मेरे पास 4-5 lakhs रुपीज का 3 to 4-5 lakhs रुपीज का इन्वेस्टमेंट है. और जो शहर हैं बड़े मेट्रोज एंड कैपिटल्स, उसके लिए मेरे पास 4-5-6 lakhs रुपीज का पैकेज है. बट इसके अलावा भी आपको 1-2 लाख रुपए और चाहिए होता है. Friends, I have a rural package for you all for 2 lakhs. I have a small town and small towns and semi-urban or urban package of around 3-4 lakhs, 5 lakhs. I have a package for you for all the metros and capitals of India as around 4, 5 and 6 lakhs. Apart from this, you require a building. You require a building deposit. If you have your own building, that is very nice. And for this, you required at least the expenses for 2-3 months. आपको आपका रेंट पे करना पड़ सकता है. रेंट नहीं पे करना है तो बहुत अच्छा है, राइट. एंड आपको 2-3 महीने का सैलरी प्लान करके चलना पड़ेगा. दैट इज योर इन्वेस्टमेंट रिक्वायरमेंट. सो आर यू ऑल क्लियर विथ योर इन्वेस्टमेंट रिक्वायर्ड? एंड वट एवर यू डू, you need to be very confident. You need to be very satisfied that this is what I am doing it. इतने फीस में इतना ही मिलता है. Till the time you do not understand this, you are going to close down your school. Friends, कितने पैसे में कितना चीज देना है आपको समझना है। लोगों ने बर्थडे में 600 रुपए के केक कटवा दिए स्कूल में। People have cut a cake for 600 rupees in schools and they have closed it. So we will learn this part of it, how people had spent money unnecessary in preschools. Friends, are you all with me? Say yes to continue further, and you know right now that what will be your investment. Friends, if you have bigger investment, still come to me. I will make sure what to do. If you have 1 crore of rupees, let's start at least 15-20 centers rather than invest 1 crore rupees in one school. Are you all with me? Yes or no? Pawanji, am I justifying my answers? Am I justifying the things? फ्रेंड्स, जितना इन्वेस्टमेंट कर रहे हो सेटिस्फाई रहना, जितना इन्वेस्टमेंट कर रहे हो कॉन्फिडेंट रहना. दैट इज द लर्निंग ऑफ दिस सेशन. Friends, coming back to point number 2, point number 1, I explain you, depending upon the location, depending upon the area, depending upon the fee structure, you are going to decide your investment. Right, friends? आपके एरिया के हिसाब से, राइट, आपके फी स्ट्रक्चर के हिसाब से, आपके कंपटीशन के हिसाब से और आपने कैपेसिटी के हिसाब से आप इन्वेस्टमेंट करोगे. Now, friends, coming back to the space. Friends, bigger the space, bigger the investment. Are you all with me? Right, bigger the space, bigger the investment. Please write these 2 words for me. Bigger the space, bigger the investment. Everybody will write this so that I will feel that you are all with me. Please write 4 words. Bigger the space, bigger the investment. Thank you so much, Mr. Prasad. You are really awesome for your answers very promptly. So this is 6 words. Bigger the space, bigger the investment. Sahu sir, you have to write. You have to write bigger the space, bigger the investment. Please, please, I need at least another 3 people. Friends, thank you so much. 3 people have got it now. Now another thing, let's go back to the old one now. Do you understand owner, parent, owner and teacher? Please write it down. We understand owner, teacher and parent. Right? We understand owner, teacher and parent. Thank you so much, Sitish ji. Thank you so much, Sahu ji. Friends, let's write. We understand owner, teacher and parent. I need only 3 people to write, no issues. So, see, that is the learning for today. Thank you so much. Another 2 people. Thank you. Done. Now, as I said, right, very, very important, right? After we understand, and the second I said, I will invest in my capacity and I should be confident. Right? Friends, that is the learning. Friends, now let me come back to you for your expenses. Right, friends? Those who are there, I am going to share you, right? But you have to text me, right? You have to text me. I am going to share a profit calculator for you. I am going to show it to you now. I will share it with you on WhatsApp. मैं आपको एक प्रॉफिट कैलकुलेटर भेजूंगा, आप अपने चीजों को लिखिएगा, वो ऑटोमेटिकली कैलकुलेट करके आपको देगा कि आप इस एक्सपेंसेस में, आप इस लोकेशन में कैसे कमा सकते हो. So let's not discuss about that part right now. Let's understand the expenses part of it. Friends, you have your own building, nothing good than this. That is one. You have your own land, do not construct a preschool till you do not have a 5 years of preschool experience. Friends, if you have your own building, it is very nice. फ्रेंड्स, आपका बिल्डिंग है, बहुत अच्छी बात है. आपके पास लैंड है, राइट फ्रेंड्स. इफ यू हैव लैंड, डू नॉट इन्वेस्ट मनी इनटू दैट लैंड कंस्ट्रक्टिंग द हाउस. फ्रेंड्स, आपके पास लैंड है, उस पर कभी भी बिल्डिंग मत बनाना फॉर रनिंग ए प्री स्कूल. इफ यू वांट टू कंस्ट्रक्ट ए बिल्डिंग इन योर लैंड फॉर ए प्री स्कूल, डू इट आफ्टर 5 years of experience. Friends, you want to build a building of yours in the land you have for a preschool, you do after 5 years of experience. Is that clear? Or you need explanation? Always having your own building is a plus sign. It is very nice. And if you are going for a rental premises, I will tell you what to do now. Rental will be always cheaper than your own building. Friends, if you are having a land and you are going to construct 30 lakhs of rupees, right? Rather to go for rental and open 5 schools. अपना बिल्डिंग बनाना है कि 5 स्कूल खोलना है? Decide now. Let's all answer. To build or to open 5 schools? Write it down. To build or not to start 5 schools, which is better? To build is better or to open 5 schools is better? To build a building on your land is better or to start 5 schools it is better? What is that? 5 preschools I am talking about. Thank you so much, Mr. Prasad. Thank you so much. Rental will always be cheaper than constructing your own school. Right? Friends, when you are going for rental, there are only 2 issues. One is your deposit, which you pay extra. And second, you will only lose your painting expenses when your owner will ask you to vacate. Are you all with me? When you will take it on rent, there are only 2 issues. Either you have to pay one deposit, and second thing is, once you vacate the premises, your painting will be what you need to leave that painting only. You will have a loss of that painting, and it will always be cheaper. So rent is your expenses, and if you have your own building, that is a plus sign for you. You have to pay teacher salary, 2 teachers to start with, right? And then we will hire 2 caretakers. You have a monthly water, electricity, right friends, and your internet and some office expenses. So that will be your initial expenses, and at least some amount of local marketing you will be required. So investment, I said, according to your area, according to your capacity, expenses will be your this thing, and fees will be your income, right? After the school hours के बाद आप लोग ट्यूशन चलाना, क्या चलाना है मैं आपको गाइड करूंगा. ऐसा कुछ करना है आफ्टर द स्कूल प्रीमाइसेस, आफ्टर जो आपका 2-3 बजे स्कूल खत्म हो जाता है, व्हाट टू डू आफ्टर 2 o'clock और 3 o'clock. प्लीज टेक सजेशन फ्रॉम मी. डू नॉट डू व्हाट अदर्स आर डूइंग मिस्टेक्स. कुछ ऐसा करना है जो लॉन्ग टर्म होगा, ऐसा करना है जो आपके पास रेगुलर बच्चे आएंगे. ऐसा नहीं कि छुट्टी में आ गए और फिर चले गए. सो वी हैव समर कैंप, यू हैव ट्यूशंस, आई कैन गेट बैक टू यू फॉर मेनी थिंग्स. सो फ्रेंड्स, कैपेसिटी देख के इन्वेस्ट करना है, कैपेसिटी को, बिल्डिंग को देख के हमें बच्चे लेना है. देयर आर लॉट ऑफ एक्सपेंसेस विच वी हैव, राइट फ्रेंड्स. मैं आपको एक प्रॉफिट कैलकुलेटर भेजूंगा और ज़्यादा स्टाफ नहीं रखना है, समझना है कि व्हाट अदर्स आर डूइंग. एंड द बेस्ट पार्ट व्हाट आई से टू यू ऑल, प्लीज स्पीक टू एटलीस्ट 1 or 2 or 3 सेंटर्स ऑफ आवर्स इन योर स्टेट. आपको पता चलेगा कि वहां पे सैलरी कितना देते हैं. वाटर एक्सपेंसेस यू नो, इंटरनेट यू नो, ऑफिस एक्सपेंसेस यू नो, पर आपको सैलरी जानना है. सैलरी जानना है तो किसी भी हेलो किड्स सेंटर को अपने स्टेट में फोन करो और उनको मेरा नाम लेना, बोलना प्रीतम सर ने बोला है आपसे बात करने के लिए, हमें स्कूल खोलना है हेलो किड्स, आप लोगों का टीचर सैलरी का एक्सपेक्टेशंस क्या है. फ्रेंड्स, रूरल प्लेसेस में 1500 रुपए पर मंथ में भी टीचर अवेलेबल हैं. बॉम्बे बेंगलोर में 15,000 में भी हैं. हम इंडिया में 10,000 का भी फीस स्ट्रक्चर है साल का, और हमारे पास 70,000 का भी फीस स्ट्रक्चर है, बट वी गिव द सेम एजुकेशन. फैसिलिटीज कैन बी डिफरेंट, बिल्डिंग प्रीमाइसेस कैन बी डिफरेंट, इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर कैन बी डिफरेंट, बट वी गिव द सेम एजुकेशन. तो फ्रेंड्स, thank you for joining today, right? Thank you all for joining today. And what I'm saying is 2 sessions you are going to see online, and there is a session for you tomorrow same time, right? Tomorrow we are going to talk about marketing for preschools, right friends? So understand it and so any queries now, I will be there for next 15 minutes with you all to take individual queries. Write down. If you have any queries, please write down. If you are late, please see the recorded videos. If you are attending today for the first time, there are 2 other videos. Please go back and see in that. Sir, we do not have any branch in what you call Ajmer. The nearest branch will be Balotra and Jaipur and Udaipur. And Balotra, Jaipur, Udaipur we have. Jaipur we have 2 centers, Udaipur 1 and Balotra 1. I will definitely share profit calculator everyone who have shared your number on this. Sir, Hyderabad, you are from Hyderabad, K.N. Prasad. Hyderabad will be investment of 3 to 4 lakhs rupees to us, and another 1 or 2 lakhs rupees for so Hyderabad for you will be somewhere around 4 to 6 lakhs rupees in total. Electrical connections and water, right? Preferably you can change it to commercial to be safe and to buy a peace of mind. They will not change the meter, they will only change the tariff plans. Please change it to commercial. Balaji Kurnul, Balaji sir, please definitely, I think you are there for the first session today. Please go back and see. Please go back and see our last 2 videos. No, Pawan sir, I will definitely share that profit calculator with you. And I know there was a team who was, I'll definitely share with you. No more answers on this. So, Anandji, I think you were there yesterday with us. So, I request those who are there for the first day, please go back to our previous 2 videos and see that. I do remember you, Ruby Sultana madam from Guwahati, Assam. Yes, Ashish Singla, let's everybody read the question of Ashish Singla. I am going to answer it. आशीष जी, आप ये पूछ रहे हैं कि I said there is playgroup, there is nursery, there is LKG and there is UKG. There are 4 groups, but I am asking you only 2 teachers and 2 caretakers. Friends, सारा ट्रेनिंग तो अटेंड करना पड़ेगा ना. सुन लीजिए अभी. Friends, in the first year of every preschool, you are not going to start all the 4 groups. There is a reason. First year you are going to start only playgroup and nursery. Second year you will start LKG, and third year you should start UKG. So that a LKG child getting admission to a free school is very difficult. वो नहीं आते हैं आपके पास क्योंकि वो ऑलरेडी कहीं ना कहीं नर्सरी में जा रहे हैं, तो आपको न्यू LKG एडमिशंस नहीं मिलता है. तो टू स्टार्ट फर्स्ट ईयर इट इज ओनली प्ले ग्रुप एंड नर्सरी. आशीष जी समझ में आया? फ्रेंड्स, आर यू ऑल देयर? फर्स्ट ईयर यू आर नॉट गोइंग टू स्टार्ट ऑल द 4 ग्रुप्स. यू आर गोइंग टू ओनली स्टार्ट प्ले ग्रुप एंड नर्सरी फर्स्ट ईयर. Second year you will add LKG, and third year you will add UKG. आशीष जी प्लीज आंसर. आपको समझ में आया आपका आंसर? आशीष जी, इज दैट क्लियर? थैंक यू सो मच. एनीबडी विथ एनी अदर क्वेश्चंस? So friends, if you all do not have a question, I am ready to go, or if you have still a question, please write it for me fast. Friends, I'll tell you something. Devashish, you have to understand this, and I'll tell you something. Every business has got competition, yes or no? Let me answer. You all will answer it to me. Every business in India or the world has got a competition, yes or no? Salini, Manish, Shingla, please wait for the next session. Akila, depending upon the area, rental is there, and you will be knowing which is A, B, and C. Friends, every area, every business, there is a competition first. Second, let's see there is no competition now. Will you be able to stop a competition coming in next? Yes or no? Can you friends, can you please write it for me? Anyone can write it for me, right? That in every business there is a competition. Can somebody write once for me, so that it will remain in the messages and you can read it afterwards? Can somebody write for me that every business have got competition? I'm explaining it to you. I'm just waiting somebody write. I can go further. Right? Is anybody writing? Is anybody writing? Please write. Please write. Somebody should write the full sentence. Yes, every business have got competition. Please write. Please write the full sentence. Prashad sir, can you help me? K.N. Prasad, no sir. The answer for your question is no. No, I'm not saying. I am asking that you have to write the full sentence. Can somebody write the full sentence for me? Yes, every business has got competition. I need a full line. Not yes. I do not want only yes. I need the full line. K.N. Prasad, please write the full line. Yes, every business has got a competition. And friends, you will not be able to stop any competition coming back. आप किसको रोक तो नहीं सकते हो ना स्कूल खोलने के लिए आगे. आज आपने खोला है, कल किसी और को खोलने के लिए आप रोक सकते हो? नहीं रोक सकते हो. सो इट इज यू हु हैज टू वर्क इन अ राइट अप्रोच. फ्रेंड्स, हर बिजनेस सक्सेसफुल है, हर बिजनेस अनसक्सेसफुल है. इट इज हाउ यू रन इट. ये आप चलाओगे. हर बिजनेस सक्सेसफुल है और हर बिजनेस अनसक्सेसफुल है. इट इज बिकॉज ऑफ यू हु कैन मेक इट डू बेटर, हु कैन लर्न बेटर एंड हु कैन डू मेक इट सक्सेसफुल. राइट फ्रेंड्स? डू यू ऑल एग्री? Write word agree, not yes or no. तो फ्रेंड्स, ये आप डिसाइड करोगे. दिस इज योर कॉन्फिडेंट. वो कॉन्फिडेंट है तो आपको स्कूल खोलना है, नहीं तो स्कूल भी नहीं खोलना है और कोई दूसरा बिजनेस भी नहीं करना है. सो यू आर नॉट एंटरिंग टू ए स्कूल, यू आर एंटरिंग टू ए बिजनेस. ये कॉन्फिडेंट नहीं है तो आपको स्कूल भी नहीं खोलना है. You have to have a confidence, then I am going to be better than him, I am going to learn better than him, I have to be very confident, I have to be very aggressive, I have to do a lot of new strategies, I have to win over him. मुझे स्कूल में ज्यादा टाइम बैठना है, मुझे ज्यादा मार्केटिंग करना है, मुझे लोगों को ज्यादा अच्छे से समझना है, मुझे हर कुछ चीज करना है जो इस बिजनेस को सक्सेसफुल बनाएगा. फ्रेंड्स, you have to be better than them. You have to do better marketing. You have to manage your school more. You have to give more time to your school. You have to be aggressive. You have to do marketing. You have to do a lot of things for your school to make it happen. So, we are not competing with any brands. We are not competing with any schools. We need to see what all you are doing it for yourself. What you did it for yourself yesterday so that you are going to get admissions today. If you have not done anything yesterday, today you are not going to get an admission. Friends, this is a school. You are going to build a legacy. In a long run, there should be a time where all of your seats gets over, that you do not need to wait and do a lot of marketing to get admissions. How to search a location? Sir, two-wheeler निकालो. Ken Prasad, take a two-wheeler, whichever the area you want to start a school, take a two-wheeler, go in the area, search for the two-let buildings. Talk to all the property dealers in the area. If there are some property dealers, do not search on internet. Friends, जिस एरिया में खोलना है, एक टू व्हीलर निकालो, घूमना है, टू-लेट का बोर्ड देखना है, उससे बात करना है, या तो उस एरिया के सारे प्रॉपर्टी डीलर के साथ बात करना है. हम नहीं, वी कैन नॉट हेल्प यू बिकॉज वी आर सिटिंग इन बैंगलोर. प्रॉपर्टी का कॉन्फिडेंस आपका होना चाहिए, लोकेशन का चॉइस आपका होना चाहिए. मैं तो आप जो दिखाओगे मैं हाँ करूंगा. वॉट एवर यू शो इट टू मी, आई हैव टू से यस ओनली. एंड एज आई एम सिटिंग इन बैंगलोर, आई वोंट बी एबल टू फाइंड ए सुइटेबल बिल्डिंग फॉर यू. सर, जो बिल्डिंग मिल गया वही सुटेबल है, मान के चलिए. इफ यू वांट टू रियली डू ए बिजनेस, व्हिचएवर प्रीमाइसेस यू डू, गेट इट एंड द ओनर्स इज ओके, गो अहेड एंड डू दैट. क्या उस पर स्ट्रेटेजी लगाना है, दैट शुड बी आवर आइडिया. वी विल हैव आवर ओन स्ट्रेटेजी टू अंडरस्टैंड दैट प्रीमाइसेस, बट गेटिंग ए बिल्डिंग इज नॉट इजी. वॉट एवर बिल्डिंग यू गेट इट, go ahead and decide that yes, I am going to do it in this building. Arun ji, wait for the session. Please expect everyone to read all the calendar. There is an event on your page. This page, we have an event calendar. हम किस दिन क्या बात करने वाले हैं. On what days you are going to do what. We are going to, I have already listed in the event calendar. Friends, I will definitely help you to improve your school admissions. Understand tomorrow. Tomorrow is the marketing day for you. Tomorrow हम marketing सीखने वाले हैं. Tomorrow we are going to talk about marketing. रूबी मैडम, जहां पे स्कूल नहीं है वहां खोल लो, जहां पे स्कूल है उसके बाजू में खोल लो. जो आपके घर के आजू बाजू है, जहां आप 15 मिनट में पहुंच सकते हो, वहां खोलना है. आर यू ऑल विथ मी? Wherever you can reach to a location within 15 minutes max, उसी के अंदर आपको स्कूल खोलना है. You have to open a school where you can reach within 15 minutes. If a parent calls you and say, wait, I am coming, if you make people wait for 15 minutes, they will wait. If you make people wait for 20 minutes, they will not wait. आशीष जी, any day in a year, मैं उसका भी सेशन लूंगा. Any day of your day is the best day to start a preschool. आप अगर इस साल के लिए लेट हो तो आप अगले साल के लिए अर्ली हो. एनी डे इज ए गुड स्टार्ट ऑफ ए प्री स्कूल. इफ यू आर लेट फॉर दिस ईयर, यू आर टू अर्ली फॉर नेक्स्ट ईयर. इन नेक्स्ट ईयर पीपल विल सी यू एज ए ओल्ड स्कूल, दे विल नॉट सी यू एज ए न्यू स्कूल. So if somebody is late, I will not say he is late, he is early for the next. So similarly for business, you are entering to a business. सर आज खोलना अभी खोल लो, वरना तो वो पैसे आपके खर्च हो जाएंगे. फ्रेंड्स, बैंक में पैसा रखना बहुत अच्छी बात नहीं है. स्कूल्स खोलिए. 5, 10, 15 स्कूल्स कितने खोल सकते हो. मैं अपने स्कूल का समय नहीं दे सकता हूं. अरुण जी, घर में कोई बहन है, घर में वाइफ है, घर में भाई है, घर में मदर फादर हैं जो थोड़े एजुकेटेड हैं, उनको बोलिए स्कूल संभालने के लिए. अगर नहीं है तो जैसे मैं मना करता हूं, पर आपको एक काउंसलर रखना पड़ेगा. एक नॉन किसी फ्रेंड की वाइफ ढूंढ लीजिए, नॉन कोई फ्रेंड ढूंढ लीजिए जिसको बिजनेस करना है, जिसके पास टाइम है, उसके ऊपर इन्वेस्ट कर लीजिए. Friends, if you think you are not able to manage it and still you want to open a school, you see if you have what you call as a brother, a sister, a mother, father who is educated, and still if you want to open it, if they do not have, you get some friends, close friends who is really looking for doing something and he or she is free, invest with them. No multiple partners. Schools should be run by 1 or 2 people max. Do not take 3, 4, 5 partners. Yes, अरुण कुमार, आप अपना एक मैनेजर रख सकते हो, पर कोशिश करना नोन हो, वरना वो चला जाएगा तो फिर आपको मुश्किल होगा. फ्रेंड्स, एक अनाउंसमेंट है. देयर इज एन अनाउंसमेंट फॉर यू ऑल, वेरी स्पेशल. वी हैव फाउंड ए सॉल्यूशन. लेट मी, मैडम मुझे, रूबी मैडम मुझे व्हाट्सअप करना. आई विल शेयर माई व्हाट्सअप नंबर. राइट, 2 पार्टनर हो सकते हैं, 3, 4 मत लेना. यू एंड 1 मोर पार्टनर. फ्रेंड्स, मैं अनाउंसमेंट भूल जाऊंगा. लिसन टू मी. We have taken a software yesterday that every people in this group can listen to and experience our teacher training sessions for 2 times. 2 बार आप हमारा टीचर्स ट्रेनिंग सेशंस अटेंड कर सकते हो. I will let you know when. Are you all with me, friends? I am giving an announcement that we have planned to take you all to experience our teacher training sessions. We'll give you 2 options to attend our teachers training sessions live. So we will inform you when you can attend and experience our teacher training sessions. With all 500 teachers, 100 teachers, 1000 teachers, those who are going to be online with us. So very soon we'll inform you that part also. Even I will make you experience our owners training sessions and 2 teachers training sessions. So thank you so much, friends. Before I leave, please write about today's session in 5 lines. Friends, before we all leave, can you, this is like a Guru Dakshina for today. Can you write about today's session in 5 lines? What you have learned, how you have liked, what you have learned, sorry, what was that information given to you? Did you like the session or not? It was informative or not, right? Yes, we do have a app where the school can interact with teachers, parents, students, fees, attendance, everything. Friends, you have to write 5 lines about today's session before we all leave. Please, that is motivation for me to come next. Please write 5 lines about today's session under the comment, so that I'll be available for you tomorrow. Otherwise, no, it's Devashi's great shirt is not important. You have to write in 5 lines, not 5 words. Informative था नहीं था, session अच्छा था नहीं था, you are learning out of it or not, right? Please write everything. Nobody is writing 5 lines. They're all writing 1, 2 or 3 words. Friends, I am speaking to you for hours. I know you are listening to me for hours, but you have to give that. So thank you so much, friends, joining and logging you out for today. And after 6:30, I can take your calls. 1 or 2 more calls every day I can take, right? And thank you all. Have a safe day. Stay home and stay safe.